For my ingredients, I'm going to be using 2 zucchini, 1 tomato, half an onion, a can of corn. I'm going to season that up with some minced garlic, chicken bouillon, granulated garlic, oregano, and this is traditionally made with queso fresco or panela or some kind of fresh cheese like that, but because I'm pregnant, I'm going to be using Colby Jack and sour cream. As always, I already have a station set up right next to the stove because we are going to be working very quickly. I already have my pan preheated on high heat. I'm going to start off by adding just the tomatoes and some oil and chicken bouillon. What this does is it makes kind of like a sauce. It's pretty much like our sauce starter and it smells so good. I'm going to go ahead and give that a good mix and let that cook up for about a minute or so. Then I'm going to go ahead and add the onions and all of my seasonings. So I don't exactly measure everything, I just do a couple of shakes of this and that, but as always the ingredients are listed in the description box down below just to make things easier for you guys. I'm going to add half a cup of water and this is what's going to bring our sauce together. Then I'm going to go ahead and add the zucchini and we're going to give that a good mix and let that saute up for 3 minutes. Now that they've softened up, I'm going to go ahead and add a tablespoon of butter. I'm also going to add my corn that I already drained and rinsed, and I'm going to be adding a total of about 4 heaping tablespoons of sour cream. I'm going to give that a good mix until everything is well incorporated, and as always I almost forgot the garlic, but I didn't. I ended up putting it in there, but at this point we're still working with high heat, so we are going to go ahead and cover it and lower the heat, and we're going to let it simmer for 8 more minutes. That's looking pretty good, so I'm going to give that a good mix and add just a little bit more water just to thin it out. I'm also going to taste it for flavor and texture. At this point your calabasas should be tender but not mushy. If they're still a little bit hard, you can cover it and cook it for a little bit longer, but at this point mine was perfect. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and turn it off and start adding our cheese little by little, mixing it in as you go. The reason we're not going to add all of our cheese at once is because you don't want to end up with a big clump. I ended up adding about a cup of cheese total. You can add however much or as little as you want. And I'm just gonna shake that up, and there you have it, some calabasas con crema my way. Not exactly the traditional way, but they're still really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and serve that up over some rice, and this is just the way we like to eat it. We like it over rice with some tortilla chips. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you guys next time. Also, don't forget to tag us on Instagram if you try it.